In today's video, we will share with you the best cough remedy secret, natural cough remedy mixture. Cough is a natural reaction of our body. It is supposed to protect us. It removes stuff that doesn't belong to our lungs. Cold and flu are the most common causes of cough. While annoying, coughs get germy mucus out of our lungs when we are sick. Most will go away in few days, but some dry coughs last weeks or months. This unique remedy mixture contains 5 simple ingredients and are very effective to get rid of the cough. For one daily serving, you will need 1 teaspoon of pure honey, 1 cup of organic milk, 1 teaspoon of pure cacao powder, 1 organic raw yolk, 1 teaspoon of butter. At night, before going to sleep, mix in the bowl with a spoon honey, butter, cacao powder, and raw yolk. Cover the bowl and store it in the fridge for the whole night. Please note, prepare at night, drink in the morning, once a day. In the morning, take a cup of milk and boil it. It needs to be very hot, not just warm. Add boiled milk into the bowl with the mixture and drink 30 minutes before breakfast. Repeat the same process during 5 to 7 days and you will be happy with the result. The mixture is suitable for children also. Study nature, love nature, stay close to nature. It will never fail you.